Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jisoo from Blackpink with this jump outfit and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle in this one, and then you're going to make them black, and then you're going to put on this t-shirt. You're going to remove the pattern, and then you're going to make it this red color, and then for the material, make it metallic. And this necklace, you're going to make it queen, and then you can do this adjustment. We can follow this adjustment, and then you're going to put on this belt. This is from the VIP room. Make it toggle 3, and then you're going to make it black and follow this adjustment. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this necklaces and earrings area. You're going to put on this necklace, and then the change it to toggle 2 and make it red for the diamond. And this necklace, you're going to make it red for the diamond. All right, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this item, and I'm going to make it make it this color, and I'm going to put on the boots from here, this one, and then I'm going to make it all black. Okay, for the first selection until the last selection, just make them all black. Alright, and then it's time to go to the VIP room, and we need this skirt, and we're going to make it black. Okay, and it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Jisoo from Blackpink with this jump look. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.